We really enjoy traveling, so today I'm sharing with you my most recent travel accessory finds that I'm hoping will help me recover from being an overpacker, and maybe they can help you too. I have loved this makeup case. I love that it's clear and I can see everything at a glance. I do store it with the cardboard that it came with, just so that it can maintain its shape while it's being stored, but it opens on both sides, and that it's clear, and so I can see at a glance everything that I need. To go along with that, I love this silicone makeup brush case. It's super lightweight. I used to have one that was taller and kind of snapped shut. This one just zips. All of my brushes fit in here perfectly. I even store my lip liners and lip gloss in here as well. I love how lightweight it is, and it fits in here really well. I also found these TSA approved liquid containers. I use them for lotion and shampoo, or shampoo and conditioner, any liquid really. They're 1.7 ounce. They function by air, so they don't have the tube going down inside. They have this air suction thing. I just thought these were nicer than the clear silicone ones I've been using for about the past 5-10 years. I also picked up this sewing kit. It came in a 2-pack actually. I think it was a 2-pack for $7. I used to have just everything in a plastic baggie, but I love that it has, you know, the little scissors and the needles and the pins and the extra thread, extra buttons. I love how compact it is. I've moved on to these towel clips. You can really use them for anything. We use them mostly for towels on our beach chair. Like when we're on deck on a cruise ship, it's always super windy, and this will hold our towel onto our chair so that it's not blowing around. We've also used them in hotel rooms to kind of clamp the curtain shut. You know how you always have that sliver of curtain that doesn't close and it lets in light, and these just clamp that shut. I used to use some that were bright green and yellow and orange and blue, but I love these so much more. These came in an 8-pack, which is good, so you can put 2 on the top, attaching your towel to your beach chair, and then 2 on the bottom. I have loved this new medicine container. It's magnetic, and then it opens up. It has multiple places to store your medications. I can store a lot of medications of one kind in each container, and then it snaps together and is really compact. This jewelry case is similar to a jewelry case I've been using for years, but again, it's just smaller. I'm really trying to not be such an overpacker, and so this is about half the size of the jewelry case I was using. They still have places to hold necklaces and bracelets, and this to hold your rings, places to put your earrings, with a little zipper compartment here as well, and then also the clear zipper compartment on the side. My favorite find has been this compact travel mirror. It is, like I said, compact. It has different lighting options. Obviously it's dirty because I've used it so often, and it's super easy to recharge. You plug this in here, and then this end plugs in to like a regular phone charger. It also includes a mirror that you just snap on there, and this magnifies everything. And I love that it fits super compact right in the bottom of this. Then I just put the charger up there and the mirror, and I'm all set to go. In the comments, I'd love to know your latest travel finds. Thanks for watching.